Guys, this is very important video lecture about English idioms. This video is consist of 100 popular idioms and its meaning. Don't give up the day job. You are not very good at that. You could definitely not do it professionally. I really like the way you sing, but don't give up your day job. Cash cow. Cash cow means an an easy way to earn money regularly. Income tax is a real cash cow for the government. Bite off more than you can chew. It's mean trying to do something that is too difficult or time consuming to finish. I'm glad you want to prepare the report by yourself. Just be sure that you don't bite off more than you can chew. Clear the air. Clear the air means discuss something that was causing people to feel upset. There seems to have been a misunderstanding. I would like to explain what happened just to clear the air. Turn your back on. Turn your back on means give up or abandon. Give up on. I needed your help, but you just turned your back on me. Not cut out for. Not cut out for means not suitable for something. He tried mountain climbing, but he simply was not cut out for it. Scrape the bottom of the barrel. The very last are the very worst. These are the last volunteers we could find. We really had to scrape the bottom of the barrel to find them. A class actor. A class act means sophisticated or above average. He offered to help even though he does not know me. He is real a class actor. Clean up your actor. Clean up your act means improve your behavior. If you are ever going to improve your English skills, you must start getting into class on time and doing your homework. Why don't you clean up your actor? Get your act together. Get your act together means get more organized. You have been late for work every day this week. If you want to keep this job, you must get your act together. A piece of the action. A piece of the action means participation in an activity. I heard that you are looking for a partner in your new investment. If you don't mind, I would like to get in on a piece of the action. Action speaks louder than words. People's intention can be judged better by what they do than what they say. In sentence, why don't you give her a hug instead of saying you are sorry? Actions speak louder than words. In the air. In the air means being discussed or generally obvious. The day are getting longer and the flower are blooming. Spring is in the air. Go ape. Go ape means go crazy. Jake was really angry, I thought he was going to go ape. A gray area. Something that is difficult to define. I researched your case, but there are not any black and white answer. Your situation seems to fall into a gray area. Up in arms. Up in arms means angry. The crow was agitated. Everyone was up in arms over the government decision. The crowd was agitated. Be glad to see the back off. Be glad to see the back off means be happy when a person leaves. That guy bothers me. I will be glad to see the back of him. Give him her credit. Give him credit or give her credit means acknowledge an achievement or contribution of a person. Although he is not easy to work for, you have to give him credit for managing the company well. Go behind someone's back. Do something without telling someone. Don't trust Jane. She acts friendly, but she's always going behind someone's back. Each to his own. Each to his own means everyone is entitled to his own individual opinion. I can't say that I like George's new furniture. I seems very plain and uncomfortable. Oh well, each to his own. Eager beaver. Eager beaver means enthusiastic person. John did all of his homework before supper. He sure is an eager beaver. Early bird. A person who is early or gets up early. Dave was in class 30 minutes before anyone else. What an early bird. Scratch the surface. Scratch the surface means examine only a part of something, uncover only a few facts about something. Cancer research is a very long term process. So far, we have just begun to scratch the surface. Give him the slip, leave him or hide from him. Give him the slip. I think that man is following us. Let's give him the slip. Cold shoulder. Cold shoulder means to treat someone in an unfriendly manner. I don't think Jim liked me. I tried to speak with him, but he gave me the cold shoulder. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling means start something. All right, everyone. We spent a lot of time planning this project. Now it's time to get the ball rolling. Jump on the bandwagon. It means join a popular trend or activity. I like that new procedure and I have decided to jump on the bandwagon. A losing battle. A losing battle means something that cannot be accomplished. I have tried fixing this phone many times. I just can't do it by myself. It's a losing battle. Keep something at bay. Keep something at bay means keep something away. Sarah found it difficult to keep the salesperson at bay. Beggars can't be choosers. Beggars can't be chooser means people cannot complain about something they get for free. I don't like the color of the sweater she gave me, but beggars can't the chooser. Flesh and blood. Flesh and blood means a relative. I must help him. After all, he is my own flesh and blood. Give the benefit of the doubt. Give the benefit of the doubt means believe someone's statement without proof. The teacher's explanation did not seem logical, but I gave her benefit of the doubt. Probably a safe bet. A safe bet means probably true. Will probably happen. It's a safe bet that your English skills improve quickly if you study at a linguist. Fit the bill. Fit the bill means seems correct. That seems to fit the bill. I will take it. Black and blue. Black and blue means bruised. He was beaten until he was black and blue. In the blood, in cold blood. In cold blood means with no comparison or mercy, usually associated with ruthless murder. The assassin was evil. He killed him in cold blood. Out of the blue. Out of the blue means unexpected. A great idea just come to me out of the blue. Call someone's bluff. Make someone prove what they say. He implied that he would remain my contact, but I called his bluff. Rock the boat. Rock the boat means create problem for other people. Everyone likes Anthony. He does not rock the boat. By the book. By the book means doing something according to rules. He is a good cop. He does everything by the book. Give someone the boot. Give someone the boot means dismiss or get rid of someone. Mr. Smith is an easy boss to work for. He does not like to give someone the boot. Get to the bottom of. Get to the bottom of means learn about the and understand fully. We are not sure what happened, but we intend to get to the bottom of this. Out of bounds, not permitted. Haynes wanted to ask Mary out on a date, but I explained that she is out of bound. Mary is engaged to Jake. Bread and butter, regular income. We are very dependent on our advertising revenue. It's our bread and butter. The best thing since sliced bread. It means a good invention or innovation. I love this paper folding machine. It's the best thing since sliced bread. Give me a brick. Give me a brick means don't expect me to believe or agree with that. You think the teacher is joking, give me a break. Don't hold your breath. It means don't wait too long because it might not happen. Yes, it's possible that they will lower taxes, but don't hold your breath. Cross that bridge when you come to it. It means deal with the problem if and when it becomes necessary, not before. I am not too worried about possible downturn in the economy. Anyway, let's cross that bridge when we came to it. The bubble has burst. The bubble has burst means a previously positive situation has encountered a serious problem. Last year, the stock market was doing very well. Unfortunately, it seems that the bubble has burst. The buck stop here. Problems are resolved here. A lot of people try to pass problems to other people at my desk. However, the buck stop here. Burn your bridges. Burn your bridges mean make it possible, make it impossible to return. Be polite when you hand in your resignation. After all, you don't want to burn your bridges. My ears are burning. My ear are burning means I think someone is saying something about me. Perry is talking again. My ears are burning. Put on the back burner. Put on the back burner means leave it for later. I don't think we will have time to complete it this year. Let's put it on the back burner. Someone means business. Someone mean business means someone is serious. Watch out for Harry. He's someone who means business. At the touch of button. At the touch of button means quickly and easily. No problem. I can change your account information at the touch of button. Have your cake and eat it. It means enjoy something without paying for it. He expected to pass without studying. Unfortunately, you cannot have your cake and eat it too. A close call. A close call means something usually bad almost happening. Enough is enough. Enough is enough means this should stop. I have listened to his complaints for years, but enough is enough. A fat cat. A fat cat means a wealthy person. He has everything he needs. He's a real fat cat. My 2 cents worth. My 2 cent worth means my humble opinion. He seems like a corrupt politician. That's just my 2 cents worth. Hang out. Hang out means be together or spend time with each other. Hey Lauren, let's go get together tonight. We can't just hang out and participate our English. A change of heart. A change of heart means a changed opinion. At one time, I supported George Bush. As time went on, however, I had a change of heart. Get something off your chest. Get something off your chest means explain something that is bothering you. Gary, you don't seem happy. Is there something you would like to get off your chest? Don't count your chickens before the eggs have hatched. Don't make plans for something that might not happen. Yes, I think we will probably get a raise in pay this year. Remember, though, don't count your chickens before the eggs have hatched. A chip on his shoulder. A chip on his shoulder means he is angry about something. I don't know why he is so unhappy. He seems to have a chip on his shoulder. Come full circle. Come full circle means a process has been completed. The salmon has returned to the place where it originally hatched. Its life cycle has come full circle. Squeaky clean. Squeaky clean means legitimate and proper. We checked all of her references. She is squeaky clean. In the clear. In the clear means out of trouble. His innocence has been proven. He is in the clear. Steer clear of. Steer clear of means avoid. She is not very nice. I think we should steer clear of her. Round the clock. Round the clock means all day. She is a very hard worker. She usually works around the clock. Turn back the clock. Turn back the clock means go back in time. I feel old. I wish I could turn back the clock. Like clockwise. Like clockwise means with mechanical efficiency. He is very predictable. He always eats at the same time like clockwise. Wake up and smell the coffee. Wake up and smell the coffee means think more realistically. He he does not respect you as much as you think. Wake up and smell of the coffee. The other side of the coin, another version of a story or event. The global summit will encourage meaningful dialogue. On the other side of the coin, it might result in violent protest. Left out in the cold. Left out in the cold means left unaided or unprotected. They don't include me in their group. I feel left out in the cold. With flying colors. With flying colors means with enthusiasm and exuberance. I can't wait to see you all. I will be there with flying colors. Scrape by. Scrape by means have just enough but not more. Our budget is not satisfactory, but we will find a way to scrape by. A tough cookie. It means a stubborn, strong person. Don't get shyly upset. She's a top cookie. Keep your cool. Keep your cool means don't become upset. Relax, keep your cool. Lose your cool. Lose your cool means become upset. Don't get upset. If you lose your cool, it will make matters worse. In a tight corner. In a tight corner means without any good options. Millu has run out of option. If he takes any more chances, he might find himself in a tight corner. A couch potato. A couch potato means a lazy person. Louis just watches TV all day. He really is a couch potato. Takes it course. Takes it course means a situation develops naturally. There is nothing we can do to rely on the effect of her disease. We can only wait and let the illness take its course. Up the creek. Up the creek means in trouble. I want Bill, but he would not listen. Now he's up the creek. Crocodile steer. Crocodile steer means exaggerated or faked sympathy. She told me she was sorry, but she was not. It was just crocodile tears. When it comes to the crunch. When it comes to the crunch means when there are no more possibilities. Victor seems to have a casual point of view. When it comes to the crunch, though, he is a real professional. A far cry from. A far cry from means very difficult from. His personality is a far cry from his father's. Off the cuff. Off the cuff means without research or planning or considering. I have not had the time to think about it. My off the cuff impression, however, is that it is a good idea. Please, viewers, like this video, have a good comment, and please subscribe my channel. Can't cut it. Can't cut it means cannot do it. Kim should not be working here. She is just can't cut it. In the dark. In the dark means ignorant. They did not tell me anything. I felt like they had left me in the dark. A shot in the dark, a guess. I am not sure, but I could take a shot in the dark. Call it a day. Call it a day means stop. I'm tired. Let's call it a day. Late in the day. Late in the day means almost too late. The government just decided to buy new helicopters, but it seems a little late in the day to make such a decision. In broad daylight. In broad daylight means without trying to hide it. They robbed the bank in broad daylight. Makes someone's day. Make someone's day means make someone happy. Your little made my day. Would not be caged it. Would not be caged it means would never. I hate that dress. I would not be caged did wearing it. Get a raw deal. Get a raw deal means receives less than what is deserved. Be sure to read the contract carefully before you sign it. You don't want to get a raw deal. Runs deep. Runs deep means entrenched or ingrained. He loves her country. Patriotism runs deep in his veins. Out of your depth. Out of your depth means beyond your existing knowledge or ability. You don't seem to have much experience in this subject. Are you sure you are not out of your depth? So guys, this was the end of the lecture. For such type of more lecture, please like this video and subscribe.